Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you all how to create a simple presentation in PowerPoint. First, let's click on search and type PowerPoint. When you type POW, if you have PowerPoint in your computers, it will show in the pop-up menu. So you don't have to type the whole word here. So either you may click on here or else you can click on open. Click it and open. As a beginner, let's start with the blank presentation. Click on white. Okay. By default, always you will have your first slide here, children. Okay. So the place where you are going to work. Okay. This white color area we call as a slide. In the first slide, we can add the topic of our presentation. Today, we are going to create a presentation about myself. So let's click here, okay, and let's type the topic myself. Okay, so this is the topic. I'm not going to type the content and all the things in one slide. We can, for different things, we can use different slides here. And the other thing is, I want to remind you, the formattings for the text will be doing at last. Let's add the second slide. Click on new slide and title and content. If you have a subtopic for your presentation, you may click on here. Okay, if not, you can just omit it and click here to add the text. Let's say my name is Harry. Okay, full stop. I am 7 years old. Now, can you all remember you learned how to add bullets before? Okay. Now here I didn't do anything. This is a default bulleted list. Okay. It's already there. Okay. So when you press the enter key, then another bullet will add automatically. Next, I live in Kata. Like this, you can type few sentences about yourself like my favorite color is blue. I like to eat chocolate. I have two sisters. My father's name is this. Okay, something like that you can type by pressing the enter key for each and every sentence. Next, let's add an image of a boy. I'm not going to add an image here. For that, I'm taking another new slide, the same slide, title and content. Click on it. All right. Now, in this slide, you all can see few buttons here in the middle. Okay. So let's see, insert table, chart, insert smart graphic, 3D models, pictures, online pictures, insert video, insert an icon. Okay. Using these pictures and online pictures, you can add an image to your slide. Okay. So I'm not going to use this. We can use this as well, but I'm going to show you the menu option where you have to click on insert, and here is picture and here is online pictures. Both of these we can use to add an image. Let's imagine you have an image of a boy in your device. Okay, so for that you can click on pictures and you can choose the image which you want to add and click on insert. If not, if you don't have any images in your device, you can search it online quickly and you can add it here. Okay, for that you have to click on online pictures and search what you want. Now I want to search an image of a boy. Now when I say boy and press the enter key, now we have lots of images of boy. Now I can see here the images of all the ages of boys. Okay, so let's say if you want to search an image of a 7 years boy. Okay, so you may type here 7 year boy or as a small boy, something like that. Okay, so now let's press the enter key and search. Okay, let's scroll down and find out a good picture. Okay, I would like to add this image. Select the image and click on insert. Okay, so by clicking when you have when the mouse pointer is with the four-headed arrow, you can by clicking move your image to here and there wherever you want. Okay, and by clicking on this, let's delete this part. Okay, by clicking on these tiny dots around, we can make the image big or small, in and out. By making, you can make it big or small. Next, children, in a presentation there should be a proper end. Okay, we can't just finish the presentation as it is. There should be a proper end. Now when people are seeing, when the audience are seeing, they should know that okay, this is the final slide, the presentation is going to end. There should be a proper end. We have to say thank you, or we should say the end. Okay, for that I'm adding another slide, a new slide, um, title only, because I'm going to say thank you here or else the end. Okay, let's click it and type thank you. Okay, now my text is here in the left corner. I want to take it to middle. For that I'm clicking on the center alignment, and by clicking and drag it and drop it down, I can take it to middle. Now let's go back to our first slide and we'll do the formatting to the text quickly. Select the text, and if you want to give a beautiful font style, you can select it from here. And if you want, you can give a beautiful color, and if you want, you can make it bold, bigger. Okay, next, for the text, I want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and it's in italic. Next, for the thank you as well, select the text and go to font style and choose a beautiful nice font style. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger, make it bold, and we'll give it a nice color. Okay, next, children, let's see how to give a background color to your slides. Now here the background color of my slide is white. Okay, so I need to give a nice color to my presentation. Let's click on design and you will find lots of designs here. Okay, so when you take your mouse pointer here and there, that default design will be added and show how it will looks like. Okay, so you can select from here. Okay, let's select this. Okay, okay, now let's go back to our slides and see. Yes, okay, now that's all what I need to include here. Let's play our presentation and see now. Click on slideshow, click on from beginning, and press the right arrow or enter key, or click on by the mouse or space key to move the slides. Okay, now when you go through this presentation, it looks boring, just like turning the pages. Now we have to grab the attention of the audience. That is the most important thing in a PowerPoint presentation, children. So we can add transitions and animations here. Transitions we are giving for the slides. Animations we can give for the text or the image, whatever we have added in a slide. First of all, let's give the transitions. Go to transition and you can select and see. Okay. Next, for the second slide, okay, something like this. And for the third slide, an origami. Okay, for the fourth slide, an airplane. Okay, now let's again play our presentation and see slideshow from beginning. Yes. Now when you press the arrow key, when you are moving the slides, you can see a change. See, this looks like an animation video. Okay. Next, let's give animations to our slides. Okay. For that, you have to select the slide and go to animations. Now you can see nothing is appeared. We can't do anything because you didn't select your text or something what you the animation which you want to give. Okay. So you make sure that you have selected the image or the text. Okay. Click on myself. Next, let's give this and see myself. Okay. Next, for this text also, I want to give another animation. Let's give fly in. Yes. Okay. Next, for this image, let's give zoom. Yes. And for thank you, mm, wheel. Yes. Okay. Now our presentation is complete. Let's play it and see now. Click on the first slide, slideshow from beginning. Okay, now I don't see any text because I have given animations. You have to press the key or you have to click on by mouse. Second slide. My name is Harry. I'm 7 years old. I live in Qatar. Okay, school. Next, this is the image. Yes, and at last, thank you. So this is how we can create a simple presentation. Okay, now at last we'll see how we can save our presentation. Click on save button or else you can click on file and save, and then after choose the location, click on browsing, and now I'm gonna save it on my desktop and give a meaningful name myself. It was already there. Myself, yeah, two, and click on save button. Okay, I think I have given the same name already. Okay, just let's give myself only. Or as myself y2 and click on save. Yes, it's done. Okay, so please do practice. Thank you.